In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install ChatGPT for Windows PC and download ChatGPT on your laptop, computer, or desktop. We'll start right from your Windows home screen so you can follow along easily. First, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any other browser you normally use. In the address bar at the top, type ChatGPT official site and press Enter. You're looking for the official page from the company that makes ChatGPT. So take a second to double-check the web address before you click anything. This helps you avoid fake or unsafe download sites. Once you're on the official ChatGPT page, look for an option related to downloading or using ChatGPT on desktop. This might be labeled something like Download, Desktop App, or Get the App. Click that, and then choose the Windows version if you see multiple operating systems listed. Your browser should now start downloading the installer file. You'll usually see this appear at the bottom of your browser window, or in the Download section of the browser menu. Wait for the download to finish. Depending on your internet speed, this could take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes. When it's done, open your Downloads folder on your computer. You can do this by pressing the Windows key and the letter E to open File Explorer, then clicking on Downloads in the left panel. Look for the installer file you just downloaded. It will typically have a name that includes ChatGPT and an extension like XE. Double-click the installer to start the setup. If Windows shows a security prompt asking whether you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, review the publisher information, and if it looks correct, click Yes. The setup wizard will open. Here, you'll usually just need to click Next a few times, read and accept the license agreement, and confirm the install location. If you're not sure what to choose, the default options are generally fine for most users. Click Install and let the setup complete. Once it's finished, you can choose to launch ChatGPT right away and then click Finish. You should now see a ChatGPT icon either on your desktop or in your Start menu. Open it, sign in with your existing account, or create a new one if prompted, and you're ready to start using ChatGPT directly from your Windows PC.